Hello my dear beautiful friends, it's Rita. Welcome back on the Perfect Home channel. Today's video I will show you my weekly cleaning of the second room that I clean immediately after the master bedroom, which is the second bedroom. As always, I will show you all the steps I do following my weekly table. And if you want to know how I create my daily and weekly monthly cleaning table, watch the video how to create a cleaning table. This is the list of things to do, plus some extra activities on the third week's monthly list. In the description box you will find the list of all the products I use for this room and the file of my weekly table. This time I will not use the vacuum cleaner for dusting furniture, but my blue microfiber cloth, because I prefer show you different cleaning method. I clean the switch with a microfiber cloth slightly moistened with a neutral detergent. Following the direction from top to bottom and from left to right, the first thing to clean is the window. I dust the frame with a microfiber feather duster. I spray the detergent on the glass and fold the cloth in four, trying to use all 8 sides. I rub the detergent with the first side of the cloth and polish with the dry side. I open the cloth and fold it inward. I repeat the same movements as before, so with the first side rub the detergent and with the second dry side the polish. Now I clean the external glasses, repeating the same steps as before. I also clean the windowsill shelf with a wet cloth. Now I move on to dusting the exterior of the first 2 wardrobes. If it's a washable surface, I can clean with a wet cloth using water or an electrostatic product, otherwise I will pass it dry cloth. In this case I will use a cloth moistened with water. To remove the fingerprints, just wet the cloth a little more. Rub lightly, and then, a very important thing, if it's a wood furniture, always dry them well. The upper bed is rarely used, so I simply dust the bedspread in the air and then put it back. Now I clean the other cabinet doors. I dust the bookshelf with a fast cloth pass. I clean the outside part of the bedside table, the sides and even behind. As an extra monthly activity, I have to clean the interior drawers of the cabinet. I empty every drawer and put things back in place. I dust the shelf over the desk. The table lamp, the desk is in white lacquer wood. I can clean by passing a cloth damping with Marcy soap, rinsing and drying. I clean the base of the armrest of the chair. I dust the bedspread in the air and change the sheets. Sweep the floor with a vacuum cleaner. And I wash the floor with a heat broom. As always, leave your comments and questions under the video. Also send me an email at the irifugioperfetto@gmail.com. And a special thank you guys who are encouraging me in this adventure on YouTube with your emails full of warmth and affection that for me is really important. What about you are wonderful. Thank you so much, a big kiss and see you the next week. Bye!